welcome back to my channel, Mama in the Mitten. My name is Chantel, and today I'm going to be cleaning out my refrigerator and freezer and also reorganizing it. So on my channel, I make motherhood, lifestyle, and organization videos. So if you're interested in videos like that, go ahead and check out some of my other older videos, as well as go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're updated whenever I post a new video. So I'm going to begin this video by just taking everything out of the refrigerator, cleaning it all, wiping it really well, and then kind of going through seeing expired things and throwing them away, and then just kind of reorganizing, not necessarily restocking, but definitely reorganizing the refrigerator to look a little bit better. So already I have some like acrylic bins in there. So I'll be like reusing what I already have. Plus I bought a few new other things. If you looked at my pantry video or my farmhouse storage unit thing, I had already purchased some acrylic bins from those videos. So I have a couple that are left over as well as another one that I'm going to show you right now. So I have this bin, and these all came from Dollar Tree. So I have this one, which is the same, and then I have this. So this is a little clip-on basket that can kind of clip right onto a shelf that's in the refrigerator. So I'd be using those to kind of take a look and see how they'll fit with what I already have. Alright, so now going along with those containers, I have this container here that I like to use for a lot of my different fruits that I cut up. So here I am cutting up some strawberries that I just bought from Costco. And then I will also, after I'm done with the strawberries, start cutting up some romaine lettuce that I also purchased from Costco, which I just now discovered was at a better price than at my local grocery store, which is kind of cool that I found that out, since it was about double the amount of lettuce for I think like 20 cents less than what I would be buying at my local grocery store. So that was a cool thing that I just now discovered. But getting back with this is just a little bit of restocking that I have been able to do from this video. Not too much that I'm going to be working with necessarily today. I decided to do this fridge video while my fridge was slightly on the emptier side, so that's kind of why, what you'll see a little bit later. But here's my finished cut up strawberries. And now here I am moving on to the lettuce. I'm just kind of gonna cut this up and put it in this container that's right in front, that ironically I have also purchased from Costco. Not sponsored by Costco, but if you don't have a Costco membership, definitely go out and get one, because Costco is great. You can find a lot of great stuff there. I love Costco. I'm just gonna let you continue watching me cut up this lettuce, and then we'll get into the fridge. And there's Olivia, my 4-year-old. You probably have noticed her running back and forth because she's playing peekaboo with her little sister right here, Kelsey, who is my 8-month-old. Sweet baby girls. Alright, so here is a before shot of what my fridge looks like before I do a deep cleaning of it and some organization. So I'm going to start over here on the left side of the door. A little zoom in action. So some half-opened drinking water bottles, some ranch, condiments. Any ideas what to do with these two tiny little shelves? Because I honestly have no idea. Come on into the center of the fridge. This is kind of what it looks like. I have two drawers on the bottom and then a few shelves up here. Water bottles, butter, I don't even know. Mac and cheese is back there, some jelly. This is my zero water filtration system, which I absolutely love. I've had for I think 4 years now. Absolutely love it. Some cherry Coke, my favorite drink, favorite pop. This definitely needs to be clean. I don't know if you can see it. This does not look as dirty as it is on camera. Oh, telling me that my door has been open for too long. Some fruit, apples, more apples, couple oranges. Over here. So I have some of these containers, trying to be organized. Doing my best. Some blueberries and some my pump parts and some breast milk for Kelsey. Some leftovers, apple juice, some more Coke, some of the treats that I made in my Valentine's Day video, some leftovers, some veggies that I need to go ahead and chop up. All dirty back there. And then over here on this drawer, the door, I have just some eggs, some more condiments like Parmesan, some ranch. This is old iced tea that I just made, and some milk. Pretty gross. I don't even know what is in the back corner over here, but take a look at that. Gross. Alright, so that is what the main portion of my fridge looks like. Alright, so I'm going to show you the center section that I have in my fridge. When I was going and shopping for refrigerators, I was obsessed with having this center drawer, so I'm very excited about this. So I'm going to get it nice and organized. So here is a little before. Now I use this obviously for like meats and cheeses. So I also have a bunch of these clear acrylic organizers that I bought probably a couple years ago from Costco. They've been working out pretty well. In this fridge it also has this divider that you can kind of adjust however you see fit. I just kind of put it in the center. So on the left side over here I have a ton of pepperonis. I love this. Does anybody else's husband do things like this? Where they leave like 4 chips or 4 pretzels or I don't know, 6 pepperonis in the pack left? Like, really? You couldn't finish them? I think that's hilarious. So that, more cheese, I can throw it on that side. Bacon. Also from Costco. Super good price, delicious. Cheese. More cheese. And more cheese. That's all I have in there. and then I'm gonna bring you down to the freezer. Hopefully I'll be able to get to the freezer in this video, but if not, then there will in fact be a part 2 to this deep clean of the refrigerator freezer, because this needs a lot of help because it is overstocked and just full of so much stuff. If you look really close down there, there's another one of those organizers, and then I have some more up on this shelf. You can see over here a couple more of those acrylic organizers, but in here I just have a ton of stuff, and I know a lot of this stuff unfortunately is expired, so I need to seriously go through it and see what I'm working with. There's tons of stuff. Like, I know there's a bunch of chicken down there that is expired. This is actually some of the homemade baby food that I make for Kelsey. Make it in the baby bullet. I made all of Kelsey's food so far that she's had and all of Olivia's food by myself because I'm not the biggest fan of buying the prepackaged stuff necessarily. I mean, it's okay, but I just prefer to do it myself. So if you'd like to see me make that, leave a comment and I can make a video on how I make my daughter's baby food, which I've kind of been thinking about making anyways. So tons of stuff needs to be organized. Alright, so that is the freezer. Alright, so here is my beautiful, empty, dirty, disgusting fridge. Just gonna show you some close-ups. All right, so here I have an overshot of my entire refrigerator. So I'm gonna start over here on the left side with my water, some condiments on the door. Then here in the center, I have my pop, my zero water, some fruit and vegetables. Down there, I have my other center drawer. Eggs over here, more condiments, milk, and apple juice. This is where, like I said, most of my meats and cheeses are stored. And then coming down here, I have my freezer. So this is the top drawer of the freezer with ice packs, Hot Pockets, some bread, my daughter Kelsey's baby food. Then here in the main section, I just have 3 cartons of ice cream. Yes, 3 cartons. Then some string cheese, chicken, popsicles, frozen veggies, and that's my fridge. All right, so that is my refrigerator clean out and organization. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. Please also subscribe. It really helps me out. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Bye.